Here are a few fast tips on how to live in your home when doing a home renovation. When it comes to children, here are 3 additional tips specifically aimed at keeping kids safe and happy. Create a kid-friendly zone. Allocate a specific area where they can relax and be safely away from the renovation work. Make sure it's stocked with their favorite toys, books, and games to keep them entertained. This zone not only keeps them safe, but also maintains their routine and comfort. Get them involved in the process. Depending on their age, involve kids in simple decisions like choosing colors for their room or selecting accessories. It makes them feel included and excited about the changes in their home, and they might have a little more patience with the whole process and the time that it takes to do this. Maintain routines. Try to keep your children's routines as normal as possible. That means meal times, bedtimes, playtimes, activities. Consistency is key for children's well-being and can help them cope better with the disruption around them.